Hi, welcome to my channel. Is your laptop slow, freeze, or take forever to open an apps? In this video, I will show you a simple way to make your laptop fast again without changing any part or spending money. The first thing you need to do is to disable startup programs. So you come to Windows, you search for Task Manager, but sometimes you don't need to do it that way. You can actually click on Windows X. So on Windows X, you come to Task Manager to open. So you look for startup apps. So you disable some apps that are starting up while your OS is booting up. So these apps make your system lag sometimes. So you need to just disable some apps like that. If you see anyone that you don't want it to start while your system is booting up, just have to disable them. So if you try this, you need to restart your system. After you try this and it didn't work for your system, kindly follow the next step that I'll be showing you. What you need to do is to clear temporary files. So how do you clear temporary files? You need to click on Windows plus R. You can see. Then you type CLEANMGR. You can see. Then you click OK. So this will pop up. You can see it said you can use disk cleanup to free up 2.8 gig space. So when you get here, you can click on recycle bin. Maybe you want to delete from recycle bin as well. You can see. Then you click on OK to delete it permanently. So it will clear your disk. After it finished cleaning up your disk, try to restart your system. This should work, but if it doesn't work, try the next step. So also, to clear your temporary files, open the command box, then type this command, then enter. So you can see these are temporary files. You just need to type on Ctrl A, then you delete. Ctrl A and delete. So to delete the temporary files, so that's what you need to do. Then you close, you restart your system. With this, your system should stop lagging or freezing. Step 3. Check for viruses or malware. Malware is one of the biggest causes of slow laptop most times. To check for virus or malware on your system, all you need to do is go to settings. So click on Windows R. So you come to settings, you see privacy and security, you click on it, then Windows and security. Under Windows and security, you open this. So I already have an antivirus on my system, so my system is in good health. So you can actually click this, then you run scan. So to clear the virus on your system, you can do full scan, so that to clear the virus on your system. With this, you restart. After you finish the full scan, you restart your system. Your system should start working fine without freezing anymore. Step 4, which is the last step. Update Windows and drivers. To update your Windows and drivers, you go to settings, Windows I. So you can see Windows and drivers. So all you need to do is check for updates. If it's taking time to check for updates, just come to this place, advanced option. You see I have optional updates. You can see now drivers update. You can see, just update it. You can see now that it's updating, so you wait till it finish updating, then you restart your system. With this, I think your system should start working fine without lagging anymore.